Finally got on the one. Hey, what's going on? Hey guys, today we are fishing the Saucon Creek, Saucon Valley, PA. There are some trout still left in the stream. I've seen them hot today. Now this is a harder stream to fish than the other streams that you've seen us fish here lately, so we're going to see if we can get into a few. Let's go. Fishing a different creek today. This is a little bit harder to fish. There's not as many fish in this creek as I've seen the past two put in. It is stocked. This is a small suburb outside of town, so it doesn't have the population. You don't put as many fish in here, I guess. But got a couple of hits today. So while the fishing's a little bit more difficult, it's pretty peaceful. Nice area to be. Last creek hole I was fishing, they stopped the snot out hit. It's also the third largest city in the state. Finally got on the one. Finally got on the one. If we can land it. These things have gotten stronger. Touched it. Oh, he's up pretty good. That works. Stop it. Yeah, I know there's been a lot of trout fishing videos here lately, but the weather is starting to warm up, so hopefully we'll be getting to something different pretty soon. But until then, trout fishing's in my backyard, and we're having some success at it, so I'll still be sitting at home on the couch. Well, that's the Saucon Creek for today. Yeah, I know. Another trout fishing video. It's the fishing I got available at the moment. Hey, I know, I don't like doing it either, but every now and then the channel needs me to. So I gotta ask you, if you don't mind, go ahead and like, comment, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Really helps us grow and we appreciate it. See you next time.